Welcome back to Texelated Isolated with Technology. And today, Samsung had their S24 event, their yearly event, showcasing their newest hardware. So today, I'm just going to talk a little bit about what they've shown and the technology behind their new flagship phone. So they have three variants: the S24, the S24 Plus, and the S24 Ultra. So the S24 is a 6.2 inch screen. The Plus is a 6.7 inch. And the Ultra is 6.8 inch. They all have 120 hertz screens refresh. So the S24, the chip that it comes with is a Exynos 2400. That is a Samsung made chip. And the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra would be coming with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. So that's Snapdragon's custom chip designed in partnership with Samsung. The cameras on the S24 and the S24 Plus, the rear camera is going to be a 50 megapixel camera. There'll also be a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 10 megapixel telephoto with a 3x optical zoom. The Ultra will be coming with a 200 megapixel lens, a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, a 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, and a 50 megapixel telephoto with 5x zoom. The RAM for each one, the S24 will come with 8 gigs. The Plus will come with 12 gigs, and the Ultra will come with 12 gig RAM. Internal storage for the S24 is 120 gigs to 512 gigs. The Plus is going to be 256 gig or 512 gig. And the Ultra will have 256 gig to 1 terabyte. They all come with Bluetooth 5.3. The S24 will have Wi-Fi 6E. The Plus will have Wi-Fi 7, and the Ultra will have Wi-Fi 7. The battery packs on these for the S24 is 4,000 milliamp hours. The Plus will be 4,900 milliamp hours, and the Ultra will be 5,000 milliamp hours. They'll all come in multiple colors, too many to mention. I'll probably show them up on the screen. And the Ultra, of course, comes with the S Pen. They are not getting rid of that thing. I use my S23 Ultra with the S Pen pretty much every day. So it is a feature that I welcome, and I hope they keep it. The screen now on the Ultra is no longer curved on the edges. It will be a flat screen. You'll probably see it in the pictures and the videos that I'm showing up on the screen currently. On top of that, they've also discussed Samsung AI or Galaxy AI. Does a whole bunch of features, including helping you out with your photos, translations. I'll probably get into that in another video, but I think that's pretty cool. I just hope they implement that into Bixby, allow Bixby to get smarter using the AI. If not, I think that's a missed opportunity. I'll be skipping this version of the Galaxy phone. I usually skip a year and go with the next one. So I have the S23. So I'll be getting the S25 next year. So I always skip 1 year. So with that said, thank you for joining me inside the isolation chamber. You've been watching Texelated Isolated with Technology, and I hope to see you on the next one. Take care.